So I've been looking for a steam cleaner, a handheld steam cleaner that I could use in the vehicle for both cleaning out the engines, but in the engine bay, but also cleaning out the trunk and the internals, cleaning out those door handles and things like that. So I went with this STEAMIFY. This is their 1300 watt. This one holds 11.8 ounces, almost 12 ounces of water. Fill it up through the top there. It's got a button with a catch there so you don't accidentally hit it. It has almost a 10-foot cord, 3-prong outlet, so you can get the unit over to the vehicle. It heats up in like 3 to 5 minutes, kind of depends on how hot the water is that you put in there. You can either put the nozzle right on the unit itself. For cleaning inside the vehicle, that's a good idea. But for cleaning around the engine and stuff, I like the idea that I can put this extension hose on. It comes with it. It comes with this 12-piece accessory set. And then the nozzle goes on there. If I really need to get around or under things, I've got this kind of angled bit also. And I really think that's going to be useful for getting that vehicle, the engine, clean. This one is from STEAMIFY. I'd like to thank them for sending us this one to check out. Really looking forward to cleaning the vehicle with this handheld steam cleaner. Hope this helps.